Hi there, my name is Joanne Moss. I am the Director of Marketing here at Standard Electric, and welcome to 2025's Hot Product in a Hot Minute. I'm so excited to start this series and with one of my favorite people, Matt Wall with Satco Lighting. He's here to tell us about his LED linear high bay fixture. So Matt, without further ado, why don't you get going?
Joanne, thank you so much for having me on for the first half of the year for January's Hot Product of the Minute. So again, I'm Matt Wall. I'm the Sales Marketing Director with Satco Nouveau, and I'm stoked to be talking about an amazing fixture that we have for Standard Electric's Hot Product of the Month, our linear high bay with interchangeable optic lens. So we have 4 different SKUs in 2 different lengths, and I'll be diving into this. One of the key differentiators is that our high bay has a low profile, but has the options of 4 different optical options to help you control light. So why is that important? So this really comes in helpful when you're talking about lighting spaces for warehouses, factories, and garages. So depending on the space of the ceiling height, having 1 or more product with 4 different optic options is really a game changer. Other amazing features that our high bay has is the ability to choose between your wattage and your color temperature. So you can see from the chart that your lumens can go from all the way from 9,000 lumens all the way up to 45,000 lumens. So the options are really endless. So some other key features that we have is our integrated sort, our sensor port that allows you for a little bit more control options, a half-inch knockout that allows for very easy wiring, and of course the flicker-free driver. So that's what we always want to see in our products nowadays. If for this or any other questions, please reach out to your Standard Electric account representative or, of course, your good friend Joanne.
Wow, Matt, thank you so much for that. Very illuminating to learn more about those lighting products from Satco. As he said, if you need more info, just let me know, let your account manager know, and we will see you again soon for another hot product in a hot minute. Thanks for watching.